Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting your system, make a restore point, and export the registry so you can undo changes. Once done, download OpenShell, Classic Start, and an XP-style icon pack. Run installers as administrator to avoid permission blocks. If Smart Screen interferes, temporarily disable it, then re-enable later. You do this because replacing core UI elements requires elevated rights and a safety net. Make sure you keep install files and product keys handy for quick rollback if something behaves unexpectedly. Now you customize the Start menu and taskbar to mimic Windows XP. Install OpenShell and select the classic style, then pick an XP skin, tweak menu structure, and pin favorite programs. Next, open taskbar settings to combine taskbar buttons, set small/large icons, and lock it at the bottom. Once done, replace system icons with the downloaded XP pack and rebuild the icon cache so visuals update. Make sure to reassign file associations for Classic, EXC, and LNK behaviors to complete the look. And to finish, apply an XP Luna theme after patching UX theme to allow unsigned themes. Choose an authentic wallpaper and set scaling so UI elements match classic proportions. You should also install Tahoma or similar fonts, classic cursors, and the XP sound scheme to complete immersion. Once everything is applied, restart Explorer or reboot. If something breaks, revert to the restore point, uninstall the theme/start menu mods, and check Event Viewer for driver or shell extension errors so you can pinpoint and fix the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.